Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzur Ahmed, lecturer history. Today we are going to start unit number first of our syllabus in 12th class history subject. However, before starting unit number first, we should first of all try to understand an outline of the syllabus that we have to study this year, that is in 12th class. Dear students, as we know, in 11th class we learned about various topics and units related to the history of world from ancient to modern times, like Mesopotamian civilization, like Roman civilization, like Islamic civilization, like Mongol Empire, like feudalism in Europe, like Chinese civilization, Industrial Revolution, Japanese civilization. So in 11th class, we talked about number of topics related to the world history. But this year, that is in 12th, we have to study, we have to learn about various topics, various units related to the history of India from ancient to modern times. Dear students, therefore we need to understand, previous year, that is in 11th, we talked about world history from ancient to modern times, and this year we have to learn about the Indian history from ancient to modern times. And when we talk about Indian history has been divided into three parts: ancient India, medieval India, and modern India. About ancient India, we have to study about ancient India. We have to study 4 units. Then about medieval India, we have 6 units, and then about modern India, we have 5 more units. And in total, we have to study 15 units related to the history of India from ancient to modern times. Let us start our unit number first from ancient Indian history. And the first unit is Harappan civilization. Dear students, before trying to know about various topics related to Harappan civilization, we first of all need to have some background about this Harappan civilization. Dear students, Harappan civilization is the oldest civilization of India. It is believed that this civilization is named after Harappa because the first site that was dug or that was excavated was Harappa, located in Punjab province of Pakistan. The excavation at Harappa was done by Dyaram Sahani or Dr. Sahini in 1921 AD, and after excavation at Harappa, various things and remains related to the civilization were excavated. Then, after this, excavation activity continued at a number of other places as well. As a result, we need to understand more than 1000 sites were excavated related to this civilization. But the first site to be excavated was Harappa. Therefore, the civilization came to be known as the Harappan civilization. Also, initially, this civilization was also known as Indus Valley civilization because the earliest sites of the civilization were excavated around the banks of river Indus. But slowly and steadily, we came to know about a number of sites which were far off Indus Valley civilization. Therefore, it was then thought that to give this civilization the name of Indus civilization was not right. So proper was to call it the Harappan civilization, as Harappa was the first site where we came to know about the existence of this civilization. And when we talk about the word civilization, civilization in simpler terms means a human society usually made up of different cultures and cultural etiquettes, like development of cities, like development of writing, like development of towns, development of various aspects of life. When all these features of life, when all these cultural and technological features this join together and shape a society, then this is known. This is then known as the civilization. And as we know, Harappan civilization was developed. It was an urban civilization. There were well developed towns. They know the art of writing. They had efficient towel planning system. Therefore, this came to be known as Harappan civilization. Harappa because the first site to be excavated was Harappa, and civilization because it had all those features like sheltered life, like this art of writing they knew, like various modern etiquettes of life they had. All these things were available with the Harappanas, which were the etiquettes of a civilization, which were the features of a civilization. Therefore, this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. When we talk about the geography of this civilization or the chronology means the dates of the civilization when this civilization existed in India. Dear students, this Harappan civilization existed in the Indian subcontinent or northwestern part of Indian subcontinent from 3200 BC to 1500 BC. The Harappan civilization has been divided into three phases. The early Harappan phase from 3200 BC to 2600 BC, the mature Harappan phase 2600 BC to 1900 BC, and the late Harappan phase from 1900 BC to about 1500 BC. About the early Harappan phase from 3200 BC to 2600 BC, it was the formative phase. It was the earlier phase when Harappan civilization was beginning to bloom, when it was beginning to get developed. It had not developed to its fullest extent, but it was starting to get developed. And there were not such urban settlements available this in the Harappan civilization at that time. It was mostly a rural settlement during these times. And when we talk of mature Harappan phase from 2600 BC to 1900 BC, it was an urban phase of the civilization. There was full-fledged stage of civilization. There was this progress and prosperity of the civilization was at its peak during this period. And when we talk of the late Harappan phase from 1900 BC to 1500 BC, it was the post-urban phase when the rural life dominated the Harappan civilization, and cities began to decline, and when the symptoms of decadence and decline of the Harappan civilization became evident. That's why sometimes the chronology of Harappan civilization is sometimes confined to 2600 BC to 1900 BC, because it is thought that it was this phase from 2600 BC to 1900 BC when the civilization reached its peak, was in prosperity, was in full bloom, and it was during this period that it is two great sites, that is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, were at its peak. After 1900 BC, these two great cities began to decline, and Harappan civilization eventually declined after 1500 BC and ultimately ended as well. So this civilization has been divided into three phases: early Harappan phase, mature Harappan phase, and late Harappan phase, on the basis of prosperity, on the basis of development in the civilization from time to time. When we talk about the extent of the civilization, means the areas where the civilization was spread, it is thought that in north the civilization extended from Akhnur area of Jammu to Daimabad district of Maharashtra in south. In west the civilization started from Sutka Gendar area of Balochistan to Meerut area of UP in the east. The civilization was spread over an area of about 12 lakh 50,000 square kilometers. Broadly speaking, this civilization covered the modern areas of the modern Pakistan, India's Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, northern Maharashtra, eastern UP, and some parts of modern Afghanistan as well. As a matter of fact, we need to keep this thing as well in mind, that up till 1921 AD, it was believed that the Aryan civilization was the first civilization of India. But the excavations of Harappa and other sites, which number to more than 1,000, revealed to us that not Aryans but Harappan civilization was the earliest civilization of India, and the announcement of this civilization was made by the then the this Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India, that is Sir John Marshall, in 1924, and he initially gave the name of Indus civilization to this very great civilization. Thank you.